Happy Republic Day to all my friends around the world and to our Guyanese brothers and sisters. We are so happy to where we are today. Hard work in Guyana. But today, right now, I'm cooking some cook-up rice. And for all the crew and everyone that's working here today, let me show you. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna tell you in a minute. I'll put some oil in here because I'll be burning some sugar. I'm cooking up some pot roast chicken on the side. Check it out. So you see, guys, so I have some pot roast chicken seasoned here. I'll be burning some sugar to get a nice brown flavor, or the brown color I'm looking for. So what I did in there is put some I put some oil in there. Now I'm going to put some sugar, and this is some Demerara Gold sugar. I'm putting some sugar to burn or to toast up a little bit, to caramelize, to make this pot roast chicken. And I'm making cook-up rice also. So we have about 7 or 8 people working right now, cutting down some huge palm trees, and especially for the hurricane, because it's over the line and things like that. So let me show you what's going on here. Let me show you. Good morning, everybody. Happy Republic Day Guyana. Happy Republic Day Guyana. So you see, I have some oil, and now I'm gonna let this sugar burn there a little bit, or caramelize, and then I'll put my chicken and let it start to cook. Chicken is here all already seasoned. I cut them up big. They're all big thighs, so they're all big pieces. Nice on the fireside. But let me go out here and show you what's going on. Let me go out here and show you what's going on. Tommy's actually gone to the store, so I don't. And Johnny, he's making his own thing. So the trees are already done out here. Let me show you. Wow, these guys are fast, man. These guys are fast. Look. So these trees were so tall. I have a before video that I'll be showing you. And so these guys are amazingly fast here. Yeah, no worries. Yes, I know. So I'm hurrying up, cooking some food for them. They're working like machines, guys. They're going so fast. So I'm hurrying up. These are some things that we found on the side of the road that we are recycling. We'll be making a little box with these for beds for planting. I'll paint them. It will go for about a year. So I just want to show you what's going on. And I'm hurrying up cooking, guys. I'm hurrying up cooking. Like I said, these chicken are all big pieces. Look how big pieces they are. Huge pieces, you know. Nice pot roast chicken. Burning up the sugar a little to give it a color we're looking for. I'll be putting in some chana in this cook up, some chana. I'm just using what we have. They are supposed to come like 2 weeks ago, so this is all last minute. So I'm putting in some chana and some black eye. I have rice going. I have all my seasoning. Tommy ran to the store to get some fresher seasoning for me to also put in here, and to get some water, get some pineapple to make some pineapple chow. Just fun things to eat with the cook-up, and some cucumber. Bringing up the chicken. Cooking in this big pot, guys. Cooking this big pot. I think I'm cooking like about 12 pounds of chicken right now. Hi, Reina Ramdas. How are you? Love you, girl. Love you. Savita. Hi, Savita. So, bear with me moving the... I hope Tommy remember to get some firewood. I need some firewood too. Oh jeez. Okay, let me rest you down for a minute, and to move the chicken. The chicken is so heavy that I can't really do it with one hand. Okay. Over here. Okay, guys. As you're getting on, thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for leaving a comment. Shout out where you're tuning in from. We are here in South Florida, in the Florida Keys. And I have the guys here trimming the trees. We need some trees down because of the hurricane for safety of our neighbor house and our house and the power line. So that's what we're doing. These guys are amazing and came here before. And we had some of these guys done so before. Look. See? Sugar is browning up. I want to brown up the sugar first before I put the chicken. Gosh, I gotta get some seasoning also. Let's go pick some seasoning while that sugar is browning up. We can't leave it for long. It will really get toasted real quickly. But like I said, we are going 100 miles an hour right now. This guy's gonna be hungry before you know it. So let's get some celery. Check out this celery here. All this delicious celery that I have. So we'll pick some of these guys. Oops. Nice celery. Extra celery. When you're cooking your cook up, you want extra thyme and celery. And right now I don't have very much time, so I'll be putting extra celery, okay? Thyme. Ooh, I can smell it. Okay, so it's brown up enough now. Let me put you guys down for a little bit. So I'm gonna put in my chicken. It's really brown up now. And everything is already in the chicken. Everything is already seasoned in the chicken. Garlic, onion, ginger, all that good stuff. Let me show you. Look. I'm filming and cooking on this fireside out here in the front yard. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You see how nice the sugar brown up? Now we're gonna stir this up. Wow, perfect color. Yeah, look at that. Cooking some Guyanese style cook up, and this is some pot roast chicken. Pot roast chicken in the house. Oh man, this is so cool. It smells so good. Ooh, I love this color. It reminds me of the pepper pot of the cashew. Man, this looks good. Look at this, guys. So good this is looking. So I'm gonna let this cook up here now. I wash my celery. Look at all the nice water dripping. I wash my celery. Look how fresh they are. Fresh celery from the garden. And I picked peppers. I picked quite a lot of seasoning this morning from the garden for this cook up. Ooh. Wow, man, the chicken looks awesome. And these guys are not eating much pepper, so I didn't put much pepper. I put about 2 peppers without the seed, just for the flavor. Let's see. Let's cut up some let's cut up. Oh, I don't even have a knife here. We're rushing, but everything is good. I'm gonna just break this apart and put some extra celery in that chicken now also. Hi Becky, hi BB Khan, hi Jean. How are you guys? Hello everyone. I'm hoping you're hearing me because I know the chainsaw is it's working right now, so it's a little noisy. Pot roast chicken in the house. After today, I'll be dabbing the fireside, guys. I figured today I'll be doing a little bit of big cooking out here. So then after that, it turns out what we have is actually not clay, or maybe it's clay. I'm gonna show you guys later on. You'll let me know. So I'm gonna put a little bit. If you can just stand here for me. Oh, just. Okay. What I'm gonna also do is put some extra seasoning that I have here. Putting some onions, some extra onions. Some extra garlic from what I seasoned the chicken with. And also some green seasoning. So that's what I'm putting in here. Putting in some salt to taste. And a little bit of ground cinnamon. Let me show you over here. Look at that. So I put a little extra stuff in there, extra love. Let me know what you guys cooking today. For all my Guyanese friends who are living in Guyana, who are celebrating the Republic Day today, the holiday today. Let me know what you're cooking, what's on the menu. Share some of your pictures, some of your videos. And happy Mashramani, guys. Happy Mashramani. Love you guys. Love you. So we'll store this up. Look at that. See how big these guys are? Huge pieces. Huge pieces. Wedding house pieces. Look how big they are. Nice big pieces. Nice big pieces. So nice. And I'm so thankful for that. I know many of you, the big storm going through every which way, and all the cold weather is coming your way. So I'm sending our love, you know, and some of this sunshine to you. So let me get the lid for this, and we'll let it cook there. Let me get the lid. Big lid. Tommy loves to hang up the pot and the kahari in front here. It makes him feel like he's in Guyana, you know, cooking on the outdoor fireside. Chula. Big pot. And cover it. So I'm gonna just let this cook now in there with a nice heat. Look at this, guys, look. Nice. I need some firewood. I hope Tommy's gonna pick up some firewood for me. So let me show you what I did here yesterday. I was doing this late last night. It was really cool. And so I planted some tomatoes, some balanje, baigan, eggplants, and some okra, and some nice bhaji leaf. Some nice bhaji. The red stem bhaji, look. And I got some okra. So we make up, Tommy made up this little area with some of the coconuts we have and some of the rocks is around the yard, so we can put the dirt in. So hopefully this will turn out real nice. But look how good it's looking, you know. So nice. And look, these tomatoes already start to give flowers. They were giving flowers before I put them down. That's why I hurry and put them down, because they were in a smaller pot. And then I put some stuff in pots to see what will turn out better, you know. These are the first time I'm growing all this kind of stuff here, so I'm not exactly sure what will turn out and what will survive, what kind of bugs. And so, you know, we live here in a sanctuary, so there are big trees, hundreds of year-old trees around here, which brings a lot of bugs and critters and crawlers, you know, which I love them. So I'm just trying to grow a bunch of things and see what will grow. Okay, I think everything is cooking up nicely. Tommy should be on his way back, and then I'll put on the cook-up rice. I'll cook the cook-up rice on the side. I have the pot already here and so on. I'll be cooking the cook-up rice in a big oval pot. And but I want the chicken get going, so these guys will get food before they're really hungry. Let's check it out. Look how good that's looking, man. Very, very nice. Let's see. Hi, Trisha. Hi, Amrita. Hi, Sylvia. Sita, how are you? The light is not in here right now, but I wish you can really see the brilliantness of this, of this color. And this is a born sugar, the sugar that I actually caramelize to make the cook-up rice. I'm making a pot roast chicken. Pot roast, guys, pot roast chicken. Okay, let's stir this up. Let's stir this up. Wow. Nice, nice. Show you one more time. Gosh, this looks good. I'm making myself hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet. And last night I really didn't have much dinner. So I'm hungry myself. Guys, I'm hungry myself. Let's go see what these guys are doing. Let's go check on them. Oh man, they're working so super fast. So super fast. Look at them. So they're clearing out this whole area because we need to bring in a shed in here for storage. So these guys are working fantastic, fantastic. This is our big boss guy here. How are you? Oh look, you working? Thank you. Look, so all these crazy big trees. You know how big this was? So I'm so happy because we were worried about a line right there, and then plus my neighbor house, you know, if the hurricane has to, like, God forbid, hit it. But look how big this was. Look how big and wide it is. You see my we had to take out one of our papaya trees because where the wood was falling over there would have smashed it. So let me show you. Look, Tommy tried to take it out just before they came, and look, it's about to give flowers, man. You see? So I'm hoping we save its life, you know. I'm hoping. It's our first one from a seed that started to give flowers also. So as you can see, everybody's hard at work here, and I'm hard at cooking some delicious Guyanese pot roast chicken and cook up rice for a nice taste, something different. I always do that. Every time we have people working with us, I always cook for them, always. I love it. Alright guys, so this is cooking up here. I'm gonna cover it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get the rice set up while this is cooking, and by then Tommy should be here to get everything for cooking the rice, guys. But it's looking good. Just give it a little stir. Look, just give it a little stir there. John he's out there talking to the guys. Oh, thank you all for sharing, and let me know in the comments what you're cooking today, and thank you for sharing, and leave a comment. We're going there, Johnny. And everything is done upstairs?
Yep.
Okay, hey, why don't you wait until Tommy gets here, just in case these guys need anything, okay? I'm in the middle of cooking right now. Here, video me here for a minute, let me stir. Look how good this is looking, Jan.
Ooh.
Did you eat something?
I did. I had my Hitman sub.
Ooh, Hitman sub? Sounds good. Okay. Cover it. April, come back to the store to grab some stuff. I'm cooking some Chinese food for them. Guys, meet her neighbor. He's here repairing while the guys are breaking. Thank you. I thought you were gone.
Leaving this afternoon.
Oh.
Going to Guam.
Guam? Oh, I really want to go to Guam. I have a few fans from there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I actually met some Chinese people living there. Okay. Yeah. Are you going to get a chance like to go around or something? Oh, I thought you were gone already. Because I cooked somebody the other day and she's a little spicy. So she's not like food here. But I still have some yesterday, so I'll send over some for you to have a taste. Some shrimp chow mein.
How do you flip it? Oh, there we go. I was going to give it back to you. Tom's here. I'm going to talk to him.
Oh, Tommy's here? Good. Oh gosh, Tommy's here, guys. Tommy's here. because I need a little help too. I need these things get going. I'm gonna start my fireside. I'll start like the other side of the fireside. This chicken doesn't have much more. This is American chicken, so it's not too tough, you know, it's not too tough. So it's cooking nicely there on the fireside. And let me tell you, the whole yard is looking cleared up. This will be good because you're only allowed to trim certain plants in this area, and everything else is permitted. So it's so nice. This is clearing up, and in that way all my big trees, all the big trees will have enough room and also enough light for growing. I think they said Tommy is here. I don't see him. Oh, Tommy, I need your help. Okay, where's all the stuff? Huh? Yeah.
I told the guy, I said, you were supposed to cut one down. What did you do? He goes, your wife told me to do it. He's like, ugh.
Yeah. So here you go, Tommy. Where's all the stuff as well?
Over there.
Oh, we do stuff here. So you're gonna drive around or you're bringing it? Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put on the fireside. Come hold this. Let me light up the other side of the fireside.
Okay.
Actually, let's get up everything, guys, and then we'll come back on getting ready for the cook-up rice. Get some wood. I'm thankful. Hey, let me show one more time. Let me give it a stir, Tommy. And like I said, everything supposed to be in this pot roast is already in it. So it's cooking in its own natural juices. Own natural juices. So I let it cook a little bit more. And then I'll put in the rice.
That's me, Zulita, and I make them shiny. She wants to know who washes the pots.
Oh, the insides.
I'm particular. I don't want anybody to mess with the pots. I do the pots. Sandy cooks, I wash.
Alright, so these guys will cook nice and slow. So we'll get back, we'll go get everything set up for the cook-up, and we'll get back to you. And again, happy Republic Day Guyana, happy Republic Day, happy Independence, 53 Independence Day. And you know, let me tell you, that's not so long ago for a country. That's yesterday. And to know where Guyana is today, and you know, the wealth is developing, which is amazing, you know. So happy, proud to be a Guyanese. Glad I was born here. It humbles me and it makes me proud at the same time. Love you guys. Stay amazing, and so excited for my bed that Tommy made here. Put all my plants to send good energy so it grows up nicely. And Tommy, I'm going to show you one more time what the guys are doing. I'm going to say goodbye and I will go get everything set up for the rice.
What's going on, everybody? Wow, there's a mammoth tree. I think it was closer to 100 feet tall. John's going fishing. Catch us some lunch, Johnny. This is so weird. These trees were huge. They're like the telephone pole plus maybe 2 lengths of the telephone pole up. All right. Have a great one, everybody. Beautiful day. Hi, Raina.